Okay guys, so creating structure in your business and forming your business entity. This might be a little boring, but it's important, so you need to educate yourself on the differences to find which one is best for you. There are different types of business entities. These include a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a corporation, and a limited liability company, otherwise known as an LLC. Each entity has different pros and cons, and each business has different needs. I'd say consult with an expert and do research to figure out the best business entity to form based on your particular needs. This is a hugely important piece of advice. I've now restructured. I have 4 different LLCs with an umbrella company, and that was all from experts, okay? Do not start doing business and accepting payments without forming a business entity. Even if you don't plan on building a huge empire, setting up properly from the start will not only ensure organizational structure, it's going to keep you from running into problems with Uncle Sam, okay, the IRS. What does forming a business entity do? It protects you as the owner, it helps you save on taxes, and it creates structured business operations. If you are not the only owner in your company, or if you have investors, you're going to need to create an operating agreement for everyone's protection. Your operating agreement will outline the business's financial and functional decisions. It's going to include rules, regulations, provisions, roles and responsibilities that kind of run your company. Putting this agreement in place will require the help of an attorney. If this applies to you, remember to put this in your startup costs.